Hi guys, Dylan here. Welcome back with another video. And in this video, let's talk about 5 Linux commands that is mostly used. Our first Linux command is pwd. Beforehand, you have to open up terminal. Then from the same folder you are in, type pwd and press enter. And you can see the current working directory that you are working on, right? Let's say I open up from another folder, right, and open up the terminal from another folder and type pwd. The path of that folder is going to be displayed, right? So this is the working directory that I am working on. The second command is ls. In which cases are we using ls? Type ls and press enter, and you can see some of the folders and files that is in the working directory, right? Our working directory is this one, the one I am highlighting, right? These are the visible files and folders you can see in that folder, right? But these are not all the files and folders which are available in that folder, because there are hidden files also, right? So in order to access all the files including hidden, what you have to type is ls-a, right? Press enter, and you can see all the hidden files and the unhidden files and folders which are in that current working directory, right? The third command is cd. In which cases are we using cd? Cd means change directory, right? So if I use cd like this, cd, and I want to go from the current working directory to a different folder or different directory called documents, right? So what I have to do is type cd and put a space, then type the exact name of the directory, documents, press enter, and now you have switched to documents. Let's say which folder we are in exactly. Now you can see once you run pwd, you can see that you are in the documents directory right now. How do we go back to the parent folder? What you have to do is type cd and keep a space and press the period 2 times, 1, 2, and press enter, and you can see you have switched back to the parent directory, which is Dylan, right? Once I type pwd, you can see I have switched to the parent directory. Now I'll switch to documents because the next command is I'm going to run on the documents folder. The fourth command is mkdir, which is also known as make directory, right? So this is the usage of mkdir, right? Mkdir, and you have to give a folder name. In this case, I'll give custom name, something like that, for the folder name that I'm creating, or the directory name that I'm creating. Press enter and go to the documents folder. Now you can see there is a folder called custom name, right? That is because we created directory using mkdir. The fifth command is rmdir. What is rm? It's removed the directory, right? So you create a directory, there should be a command to remove the directory also, right? I'll remove the directory which I created earlier, which is known as custom name, right? What you have to do is type rmdir and type the same name that you gave earlier, like custom. In this case, I have misspelled the name, so you have to give this correct spellings that you gave earlier, right? Press enter. You can see that folder removed after I ran this command, right? So those are 5 Linux commands that I used. There are more commands that is in use. I'll be doing another video on another 5 Linux commands that I used. and an explanation on that. Hope you guys like this. If this video is helpful, share with your friends, and thank you. See you guys later. Bye.